Getting to warn of the EAS airport attendants on these receivers are normally attended by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 9 and 11 a.m. and 4 presence of threat or existing severe weather in the area. The test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. Service weather radio warning alarm for the
I think KDO94 just went off the air. Did KDO94 just go off the air? I think KDO just went off the air. Shit, fuck. What the fucking fuck? Alright, well, let's go over what activated, I guess. Everything up here activated. Everything over here activated. That I know that activated. That did activate. That activated. HH activated. The Zone Guard Plus activated. None of those were on because all of them have dead batteries. That didn't activate. My two 100s activated. That one I recently modded. This did go off. I modded this one as well recently. This didn't go off for some reason. I don't know why. But, yeah. That's really fucking weird.
Flood warning for northeastern Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time,
God damn it.
Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1.5 inches in 30 minutes. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Youngstown, Boardman, Niles, Campbell, Hubbard, Kenfield, Lordstown, Hilltop, Maplewood Park, Austintown, Struthers, Girard, McDonald, Poland, Lowellville, Churchill, Mayo Ridge, North Jackson. Turn around. Don't drown by encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Mahoning, and Trumbull. This is no weather.